Welcome back to Breakbeat Code. Now we're going to learn how to create your own variables and assign sounds to them in EarSketch. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create our own variables. So basically, we're going to try and answer the questions: what are variables? What are the rules for creating variables? How to create variables in Python? And lastly, how to assign values to variables. So in plain terms, you can think of a variable like a name tag or a short name for any value in Python. So a short name for me could be DJ Drea. Let's start by creating a variable name called myname. Just below setTempo120, type this: myname space equals. Next to the equal sign, type your name in quotation marks, like this: myname equals open quote Andrea, end quote. On the next line, type this: DJ name space equal sign. Next to the equal sign, type your stage name in quotation marks, like this: DJ name equal space open quotation DJ Drea, close quotation marks. You've created your first two variables and assigned values to them. So we're going to quickly recap some of the rules for creating variables in Python. Most bugs are actually created because we didn't follow these principles. The first one is variable names must start with either a letter or an underscore. Number two, the variable name can't start with a number. The name can include a number, but it can't start with a number. Number three, capitalization matters. Beat 1 with a capital B is not the same as beat 1 with a lowercase b. Number four, you need to actually create the variable before you use it. The Python interpreter reads from the top down. So if you haven't defined a variable in your code before you try to use it, meaning in one of the lines above your code, then you will get an error. To recap what we've just covered, we've learned the coding concept of variables, the rules for creating variables, how to create variables in Python, and lastly, how to assign values to variables.